Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of the CORSAIR 4000D RS ARGB frame, modular, mid-tower ATX PC case. Remember that the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out right away. This case stands out as a highly customizable and airflow-optimized option for PC builders who want both style and performance. Featuring the innovative frame modular system, the 4000D RS allows users to upgrade components like the motherboard tray or front I/O panel with ease, offering a level of flexibility rarely seen in mid-tower cases. Whether you want more USB ports or a premium billet aluminum tray, this case can adapt to your evolving needs. The case comes equipped with 3 pre-installed CORSAIR RS ARGB PWM fans, each featuring 8 LEDs and supporting daisy-chainable 4-pin PWM connections. These fans not only provide excellent airflow, but also operate in 0 RPM mode under low loads, ensuring near-silent operation when your system isn't stressed. The InfiniRail fan mounting system is another highlight, enabling you to slide and position fans up to 200 mm on the front and 140 mm on the roof, wherever you prefer. This flexibility ensures targeted cooling exactly where your components need it most. Cable management has also been thoughtfully designed, with an internal side panel near the motherboard tray that doubles as a cable cover for a clean build. If you prioritize airflow over aesthetics, you can remove this panel and mount additional fans on the side to turbocharge cooling performance. This balance between clean lines and customizable cooling options makes the CORSAIR 4000D RS a versatile choice for a wide range of PC builds. Compatibility with ASUS BTF, MSI Project Zero, and Gigabyte Project Stealth motherboards further enhances its appeal for users invested in those ecosystems. The black finish adds a sleek and modern look that fits well in any setup. Pros: highly modular frame system allowing extensive customization. 3 high-performance ARGB PWM fans pre-installed for excellent airflow. InfiniRail mounting system offers unmatched fan placement flexibility. 0 RPM mode for silent operation under light loads. Clean cable management options with removable side panel for extra cooling. Compatible with major motherboard projects. ASUS, MSI, Gigabyte. Cons: modular features and additional upgrades may increase overall cost. Side: fan mounting option might reduce space for larger GPUs or other components. To sum up, the CORSAIR 4000D RS ARGB frame modular mid-tower is a fantastic choice if you want a case that can grow with your build and offers both style and substance in cooling performance. Don't forget, the link to buy this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment. Check it out now to get the best deal.